very important to know that CoinW is not a network marketing. It is not another program. It's just an exchange like Binance, like KuCoin, like Bybit, and any other exchange platform you might think about. So this is not another kind of program you might be thinking about. This is just an exchange platform. So today I shall be teaching you how to actually register on this platform. Like I said, the particularities of this platform is that they offer you trading signals. So if you're watching this for the very first time, make sure you contact support so that they can help you to be receiving signals that you can be trading. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you don't invest what you can afford to lose. Make sure you put in money that if you lose that money, it won't cause any problem, or money that you won't feel bad. So in order for you to register, you can just get the link from our website, and you can just go to the link. And when you click the link, when you click on the invitation link that will be provided so far, you can now click on register, right? And when you click on register, you select email, okay? You select email registration. Do not go to phone registration. Email registration is better. And you can now put your email address. I don't know what your email address might be. When you put in your email address, for example, and then you select your password, right? You can select your password. Make sure your password is very, very strong. And then you click here, right? The password should be really strong, right? And once you do that, okay, all right. So once you do that, you now click here to receive a verification code in your email address. And you have to click here like this, all right? Once you click here, this will open like this. Make sure that you take this and fit in this particular space, right? You fit in here, all right? When you fit in here, a verification code is going to be sent into your email address. And then you go get the verification code in your email address. Sometimes you want to check it on spam, and you have to make sure that you receive the verification code, and you have it here, and you click to accept, and make sure that your invitation link is 2074741. You must make sure that this invitation code is right there with you. And when you do that, you now click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, then you can now go into your account. So in the next video, I shall be teaching you how to do verification and also how to do deposit in your accounts.